Take a hike with tabletop. Today we're going to the Ernie Miller Nature Center. Ooh, I don't mess with the danger noodles. They have a lot of stuff to do inside, including arts and crafts, games, and puzzles. I don't think you can fish in here, but I don't see a sign that says you can't. Should I put on a show? They have places to hike that you can either be on the concrete, or they'll put you straight into the woods. And remember, you are in nature, so there's going to be bugs, snakes, and other things out there. These stairs are so cool. I feel like I'm gonna find that Bigfoot vlogs guy. Hoof print. Unfortunately, I didn't see any deer out there. Just walked right past these ones. And if you play Pokemon Go, they have a lot of Pokestops and gyms. It's a great place to enjoy nature with your kids and family.